Day 5 of the 30 Days Skincare Challenge. DIY Gentle Oatmeal and Honey Cleanser. Hello and welcome back to Day 5 of our 30 Days Skincare Challenge. Today we are diving into a super gentle and natural remedy to cleanse and nourish your skin. If you have been feeling like your skin needs some extra TLC, this DIY oatmeal and honey cleanser will do the trick. Stick around till the end because I will share a bonus tip to make your skin feel extra soft and glowing. Don't miss it. Step 1. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal. Oatmeal is perfect for sensitive skin as it gently cleanses, soothes irritation and removes impurities without stripping your skin natural moisture. Step 2. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps lock in moisture. It's also antibacterial, so it's great for keeping your skin clean and hydrated. Step 3. Now mix in 1 to 2 teaspoons of rose water. This not only gives your cleanser a refreshing touch but also helps calm any redness or irritation, leaving your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Mix all ingredients into a smooth paste. Combine the oatmeal, honey, and rose water until you get a smooth paste. If the mixture feels too thick, you can add a few extra drops of rose water to achieve the right consistency. Apply this cleanser to damp skin and massage it gently in circular motions for about 2 minutes. This will help remove dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. Once done, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Enjoy soft, clean, and refreshed skin. After using this DIY oatmeal and honey cleanser, your skin will feel soft, clean and refreshed. It's gentle enough to use daily, making it a perfect addition to your skincare routine. This time to give bonus tip to my loyal subscribers. Here's your bonus tip. After cleansing, take a small amount of fresh aloe vera gel and apply it as a light layer on your skin. Aloe vera helps lock in hydration and soothe your skin while adding a natural healthy glow. Use this after every cleanse for even better result. That's it for day 5 of our 30 days skincare challenge. Let me know in the comments how this cleanser worked for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dr. Beauty Blaster for more simple and effective skincare remedies. See you tomorrow for another exciting tip to keep your skin glowing.